Hello guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. Alright, so today we're going to be retouching this one using Kumoo. I really love this image a lot, except for the fact that we'll have a lot of blemishes to work on. And of course the retouching is going to be very minimal, but let me show you how I will approach this image if I have to retouch it in Kumoo. The first thing I will do on the image is to take care of the blemishes. Right before we get into the color and all of that, you take care of the blemishes. So I'm going to take up my acne for face and that of the body, then my body blemishes, and of course mole for face. So once this is done, we should be able to get rid of all the blemishes. So moving forward, there's a collaboration I want to see if I can transfer, right? I'll go to mine. I really love this color over here, and I think it's going to really look good for her. So in case you want to copy a color grading, especially a skin tone, from another image and place on your own image, this is how you can do it. Just come into your adjustments, go to color transfer, click on import an image, then bring it in from wherever you want to bring it in from. But for me, I already have those ones here, so I only need to bring in a new one. And I think this skin tone will also look good. So let me check it out and see how it works on her, because she's obviously a dark skinned lady, but because of white balance and all of that, she's looking quite right, and I love this color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to balance this up and make sure it look quite good. So bring this down a little bit here. Okay, I need more colors and I need it more intense. And keep this here, darken this down a little bit. I think this works for me. The next thing I would do is to go into my tone and just brighten her up a little, lift up the shadows a little, excuse me, a little bit of the highlights and a little bit of the blacks. Okay, but I think this is too dark, so I need to also push up that exposure a little bit more. But I love the skin tone perfectly. Okay, this works. So once we get into our retouching, I will turn up my face with focus, so that if we are losing details in any part of the face, we'll be able to restore it back. Then go to my skin, increase my neutral gray leveling, one of my favorite sliders right here, and do the same thing for my skin refinement effect. So with just these two sliders, we can leave our image like this. So we don't even need to do so much with your frequency separation, but of course we'll do the frequency separation for the body, right? So that we'll get that smooth look. Then we also do a little bit for the face, or even half up to half, and increase our neutral gray contour to restore dimensions back. So this is the before, this is the after. Really amazing stuff right here. Then I'm going to increase my brightness for the skin a little bit and a little bit of the whiteness, so that I will get that glow beautiful effect on her. Beautiful. Then we'll come down to the skin tone area, try to warm it up just slightly and add a little cocoa to it. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at that amazing melanin skin tone. Sweet skin right there. So this is the before. This is the after. A little bit of skin tone blending and we are good. So let me go and fix the hair edges. Come down to the hair, increase the hair part a little so that some of the edges will blend in and soften the hair out a little bit. So for my eye, I'm going to go into the eye area and increase the brightness and the redness, so that I will use some reds over there. Then I'll go down to my makeup. I will enhance the eye makeup, enhance the shadows, and also enhance the highlight. But I'm not going to touch the eyebrow because her eyebrow is already standing out. Then of course my lip makeup. So I think my lip is slightly too rough. So go into our adjustment and go to the lips line and just smoothing it out a little bit. Good. And this is the result that we'll have. So I think the hair is slightly brighter than the overall skin. So I'm going to click on a dark color, right? And try to reduce it. Just something dark, okay? And now reduce the intensity so that I can be able to tone down hair so that it doesn't look distracting on the image. And this is just how we do it. So let me put the before and after side by side for you so you could see the result we had. I think Kumoo at this point kills it when it comes to dark skin tone. Look at how beautiful that coffee brown is looking. The before, the after, the before, the after, the before, the after. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get Boo for yourself and inculcate it into your workflow, which I think that every photographer should do right now, go to the description of this video. You are going to see the download link there. Click on it to download Kumoo for yourself and thank me later. Of course, when you want to purchase your credit, these are promo codes, right, that you will also see on the description of the video to purchase your first credit and subsequent ones so that you can be getting access to 30% bonus every single time. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on your notification bell so you don't miss any future tricks. See you on the next video.